Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a super hair growth apple cider vinegar hair treatment mask. I did this treatment a few times and I'm in love with the results. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. The first thing you're going to need for this treatment is raw apple cider vinegar. And apple cider vinegar is simply fermented juice from crushed apples. Apple cider vinegar helps to cleanse, soften, and condition your hair. It contains vitamin C, which promotes hair growth and improves blood circulation, vitamin B, which moisturizes and hydrates the scalp and fights dandruff, and acetic acid, which eliminates germs and bacteria hiding within the hair follicles. All you're going to need are 2 tablespoons for this treatment. The next thing you're going to need for this treatment is 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Coconut oil contains antiseptic fatty acids that guards the scalp against fungal infections, nourishes the hair roots, and soothes the scalp. You're going to go ahead and mix the coconut oil with the apple cider vinegar and eventually it will melt together. The next thing you're going to need is 1 tablespoon of water, and what this does is just kind of dilute that apple cider vinegar so it isn't too strong. And the last thing you need for this treatment is lavender essential oil. Lavender oil is mild and soothing, and when massaged into the scalp, it improves blood circulation, promotes hair growth, and prevents hair loss. Once you mix all of these ingredients together, it's going to look something like this. Now what you're going to do is thoroughly massage this treatment into your scalp. I like to massage my scalp with this treatment in it for at least 5 minutes. And then I will let the treatment sit in my scalp for at least 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, I go ahead and rinse the treatment thoroughly out of my hair and go ahead and continue on with the rest of my hair routine, which is conditioning and deep conditioning. And that is it. I really love this treatment because it makes my scalp feel refreshed and clean. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell so notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampson. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!